Good morning! The sun is about to come over the mountain and it's so pretty here, so walk along for a bit. Something else, huh? How can you not fall in love with it? Oh, oh, there's the sun. There it is. Woohoo! The sun arrived. Well, Timo had his walkie, so it's time to get to work. See you back at the van. Oh boy. Well, I'm gonna empty this all out and then I'm gonna fill up these holes first before I do anything else, otherwise I'll forget. Yeah, let's go.
We were young and we were free and running, never bothered about what could be coming. Every day we danced and life was smiling. We were young and drunk in love. Started thinking, if it's just love in every glass I'm drinking, we're like one and without you I'm sinking. I'm always trying.
I'd say mission successful. Now the other side and we can get going. Okay. Every step of the way I have to figure out what is the best way to do this. It's always with these projects. By the time you're done, you know it all and you'll never do it again. So I think a little edged blade might do it. Yeah, that could work. Perfect. Woohoo! That works a dream. Let's see if it fits.
There's no reason to chasing pavement on my own, 'cause you're here to stay every night and day. I'm glad 'cause I got you.
Perfect. Absolutely perfect. Now I have to cut this out of this, out of Bob. Remember Bob? Bubble wrap and done.
I have always been afraid of changes, but you show me life is full of faces. Sometimes clouds got in our favorite places, but We were young and unaware.
Oh, I got you, there's no reason to chasing payment on my own, 'cause you're here to stay every night and day. I'm delighted 'cause I got you. La 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 la. Rain guiding my way before, pouring like a waterfall. I cried a million tears and more to find out where I belong.
Okay, so why did I do this the way I did it? If you look on the internet, there's 50 million opinions about how to do this. There is no right, no wrong, because even the specialists do not give the same information. So the basic idea is, if you like here, I sealed it completely off. There is no ventilation going, everything is closed. So no condense, no mold, no problems. I hope. That's the idea. No air can go in, no air can come out. What's in there is there forever. But here on the other hand, I can't do that. I wanted to do it, but all these, what do you call them? Like beams from the car, they're all connected. So I'll have openings, whatever happens. I mean, I have those openings there. I can't close them, and they're all in contact with each other. So there's no way that I can completely seal it off. So I thought, with that new stuff that I found, I can make it in a way that it can still ventilate. That might work, because that's the other opinion on the internet. Make that it still can ventilate, and you don't have mold, or make it so closed that nothing can go in or out. That's why here I even closed up all these beams with wool. I'm not going to do that here. Only the big spaces. And let's face it, condense will not be our problem. Heat will be. So hopefully this will help to keep the heat out. But yeah, so many opinions, so many specialists. I don't claim to know it all. I actually know nothing. I just hope I do the right thing. If not, it is what it is. I'll live with it. I'm going to do the rest. And then hopefully by then there's some orange juice. Because I picked oranges again for the boss. But this is going quicker than that. I don't need Bob anymore. Still a lot of work. But we're getting there.
We're not young, but we're still free and running. And this day has never kept us bothering. Every day we dance and life's been smiling. We're not young, still drunk in love.
And then we had a problem. Here there's no support. So I need something to adjust, to put the strips on and later the tongue and groove. So got a little board that fits. Now Kent cut these little brackets for me, so they'll go there, and then we can continue. And believe it or not, just figuring out how I'm going to solve this took me a whole hour. Oh well, let's do it.
Oh, I got you, there's no reason to raising payment on my own, 'cause you're here to stay every night and day. I'm delighted 'cause I got you.
Done. And then my spaceship was finished. Wow. This was not an enjoyable job, but it's done. Next, the woodwork. That'll be fun. Yes. Big job. I did it!
We're not young, but we're still free and running. And this day has never kept us bothering. Every day we dance and life's been smiling. We're not young, still drunk in love.